Hi, my name is Samit from Granteq. Today, I want to show you the CatchBox, which is a wireless throwable microphone. I'm speaking through the microphone for this video, so you can kind of get the idea of how good the quality is. The CatchBox itself has a range of 30 meters and can be extended up to 100 meters. I can walk across the room holding the microphone and you can hear me clearly. The moment I throw the microphone, the audio gets muted, so there's no disturbance. So I'm going to throw this microphone to my colleague over here, Gagan.
Right. So now I've caught the microphone and I can begin speaking as soon as he just passes on over to me. You can also customize the entire surroundings of the microphone. So you can customize it to your own logo, to your own branding theme. I'll just pass it on back to Samit now.
You can use this in a lot of spaces, including auditoriums, including training rooms, and as well as meeting rooms.